Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI PRO MP251 Series, the world's first 24.5-inch 100Hz EyesErgo Business Monitor. So friend, the groundbreaking 24.5-inch 100Hz eyecare commercial monitor takes center stage with its pioneering technology and designing, and friend, with its 24.5-inch screen size, this monitor strikes a perfect balance between spaciousness and desk real estate, designed to fit seamlessly onto office desks and workstations. And this series monitor offers more than 5% more display area in same physical footprint as 23.8-inch monitors, enhancing user experience while also reducing eye strain. And friend, this series puts eye care at its forefront beyond that of all visual aesthetic, and its ergonomic design elements include blue light reduction, figure-free technology, IQ chat function, 100Hz refresh rate, and ergonomic stand design. This feature ensure a comfortable and healthy viewing experience, reducing eye strain and discomfort during extended usage. And the IQ check feature enables users to perform self-checks on their eyes to ensure optimal eye health, and this innovative feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who spend long hours in front of the screen and want to take protective measures to protect their eye health. And friend, it has features like an accessory slot on the stand and display key that provide easy access to essential tools, gadgets, streamlining workflow. Additionally, this monitor also comes equipped with built-in speakers for online conference call and online courses. So friend, if you liked my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.